Most Airbnb hosts send this exact message the moment they get a booking. Thanks for booking our place. It's polite, but it's a massive missed opportunity that is costing you bookings. The secret to securing more reservations isn't in that simple welcome message. It's in one specific automated message that builds instant trust and convinces a guest to stick with you instead of canceling. In this video, I'm giving you the exact word for word script for that booking unlocking message. This is strategic communication that turns words into income and makes you a guest only choice. Let's get straight to the problem. When a guest books your property, they've just spent hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars on a place they've never seen from a person they've never met. Their biggest fear is making a mistake. So when they book and the first message they get is a generic thanks for your booking, it does nothing to calm that fear. It's a passive confirmation, not an active trust builder that signals that you are an average host, leaving the door wide open for them to second guess their decision and cancel. This is where your competition wins. Every guest who feels that flicker of uncertainty is a potential cancellation. Poor communication is a direct drain on your bank account and hurts your chances of earning the guest favorite badge, which seriously boosts your listings visibility. Your first interaction is your golden opportunity to prove you're a professional and reliable host. So, what's the secret weapon? That is what I call the proactive reassurance message. Its power comes from three things: its timing, its tone, and its content. This message is sent automatically the second a guest books. It gets ahead of their questions, validates their choice, and instantly replaces their uncertainty with confidence. It shows a level of professionalism that immediately sets you apart. The best part, this should be automated using Airbnb scheduled messages. Here is the template you can copy, paste, and tweak for your listing. The subject, your upcoming stay is confirmed. A quick note from your name. Hi, guest name. Thank you for choosing to book our place for your trip from start date to end date. We are thrilled to host you and are already preparing for your stay. I want to personally confirm your reservation is locked in. You are all set. To make your planning easy, we will send our complete digital guide with check-in info, directions, and local tips exactly 3 days before your arrival. In the meantime, if you have any questions at all, please ask us right here. We are always happy to help. We look forward to hosting you. Warmly, your name. This script works because it's personalized. It directly confirms their booking is secure and it preemptively answers the question, when will I get check-in info? This single move builds massive trust. To set it up, go to your Airbnb messaging settings, find scheduled messages, and set this to trigger the moment a booking is confirmed. This isn't just a theory, it's a proven strategy top hosts use to secure bookings and earn 5-star reviews. Better communication leads to fewer cancellations and more visibility. It all starts with this one message. So here's your mission. Go into your Airbnb account right now and set up this proactive reassurance message. It takes less than 10 minutes and will fundamentally change how guests see you from the very first moment. After you implement this, come back and drop a comment below to let me know how it impacts your bookings. And if you want more hosting strategies that actually increases your revenue, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.